They're making sport, lad.
Take 7. Hey, so what's happening here?
No, start again.
Sorry, I didn't like the baby.
How are you doing, everyone? Welcome back to another video from us here at 888. So turn that down and we're just buffering in there. Right, so it is Thursday evening. We zoomed in. Oh Jesus. So it is a Thursday evening and I am going on a bit of a road trip. So if you've been keeping up to date with the way things are going for me, my 335 was sold, my Barossa was sold. For the 335 I got Mitsubishi Colt, which I'm driving right now, and my old Soarer back. So the Colt is going on Saturday. Soarer is in the shed, but it's sold. So that means one thing: I need a car. And if you've been keeping up to date, or if you've been seeing me on social media, I've been after a PS13 Sylvia. So I'll talk more on the road, trying to get this out gate close, talk more on the road and explain what the plan is. Yeah, so I'm not too sure where exactly I ended off on the last clip. Honestly, I was a bit excited and stuff. But I was saying I got the Colt for the 335 and the Soarer, done a bit of a deal there. Sold the Soarer, sold the Colt, got rid of the Barossa, got a Mark II for the Barossa. So now where I'm left is Soarer's around the house. The Colt is after getting me this new car that I'm currently sitting in. Both cars are going, today's Thursday, both cars are going on Saturday morning. So yeah, that's that. So I'm after buying myself a PS13 Sylvia. It's definitely a bit of a dream car for me and like a bit of a goal for me. Now it's a complete shitter. Well, it's not a bad car, but it's CA18 for starters. The most shit engine you can get, and the paintwork and it needs a lot of tidying. But no better man, as you'd say. So the plan is for the car. I have a Forge SR20 bought for the car already. I actually bought it before I even bought the car, so I was really hoping it wasn't going to be a very big ball of shit. Because the car is actually in from Japan. It's been sitting in Dublin port for a week or so now, but obviously I could only get it from Belfast because the importer had to bring it down. Jap Cars on Facebook, I couldn't recommend them anymore. The honesty and everything else. So fair play to. Yeah, so if you're looking at anything imported, make sure to get on Jap Cars on Facebook. He'll help you through any step of the way, or he might have cars that might interest you on the way. He told me he has 10 cars coming in at the minute, so that's a lot of cars. So yeah, I think tomorrow we'll get this thing, we'll maybe pull into the shed, and I think we'll really get the lads to have a go at how shit it is. And then we'll talk through the plans of what's actually going on. This will be a big build for the challenge, so make sure to stay tuned for this one. It's going to be a big transformation.
Tomorrow. See if she's a one-wheeler peeler.
Hey, but what's your first opinion?
What, my first opinion on the car? It's very ugly. It's an ugly little car, but it's going to be a gorgeous little car.
I actually said last night we want to put it in the shed and maybe just talk about how shit it is.
Yeah, we could do that for a while first.
What, this your green car with black bits on it?
Yeah, what you think there?
She's as rough as a badger's arse. It's as rough as David's arse.
Hey, that's rough. Especially had her feet against.
I'm talking to your tattoos.
Oh yeah.
That's what comes.
YouTube don't know about that.
Let's finish that up. Okay, cut that section away. What are you doing?
Give me the camera.
We're going to test it out now at the air now.
Oh,
Watch me taxi the pup. Hey.
There's only a one-wheeler.
Not clutch, no?
Yeah, he's added in the clutch out instead of a burnout.
That's a pity, you know that?
Hold on, we gotta look at the marks. Hold on, that was a big one. Hold on, this doesn't here might be a bit bigger.
Motorbike. This is motorbike tyres on.
Look, it's very cute.
It's lights.
Of all the wheeling and dealing we're doing, okay? Do you know what? I'm just in fucking shock here that he's holding the camera.
Oh, Joe, this feels weird that you're behind here.
Look at me, I'm in my camera gear. You have to wear this going around the yard holding the camera so you can be seeing.
Darren has a full year-round media pass for AAA yard.
We have to get we have to get the passes for Mondello this weekend.
Definitely. We just go to the briefing again.
Yeah.
Just like
Briefing King, yeah, come on.
So this is another little piece of Craig's big adventure.
Yeah.
Right, isn't it?
Yeah, that's her. She looks well.
Are you zoomed in there?
I zoomed back out. Can you screenshot that? That's a picture now. Yeah.
Craig, get that thing with hey, get a fucking black bag cover quick. Yeah. One of those cars there, you need a black bag over.
We got any new tyres here, we keep on doing that as well.
I think it's gorgeous.
Gorgeous Japanese sun job.
Yeah.
It's like when you see those air ones on holidays and they're actually been fucking tanning themselves in oil for the last 50 years.
That's enough for you, yeah. Hey.
Yeah. Right, lad, anything else to say there before we go? We've a lot ahead of us today.
Do you know what? Because I don't even know where we are in videos, but I do know one thing, right? And I'll probably repeat myself a few times, right? But I'm going to collect tomorrow, yeah? One of the most exciting projects, and it's none of this bullshit. Stop showing in there in my head. I can't wait. If Craig was buzzing to get this, it's in my new project.
Fuck off. Right, fuck off, he says.
I'm missing two speakers.
Oh yeah, I said there's some sound out of those jokes. Oh no, she's back. That's how we lost. Say goodbye, lad.
Bye,
Say
lad.
goodbye for now.
Bye, lad.
But not forever.
1 week.
So, it is day 2 of me actually getting started on the PS13 build. I pulled the engine out Friday night. I didn't really record much. I was out of time last when we were pulling the engine. I was just going home at it, and we got the engine out in a few hours. So, now I am stripping all the shit out of the engine bay. I didn't mind pulling the engine. Now, this is the bit that I was not looking forward to. Pulling everything out now so I can get the engine bay painted next week, and then the car is going to PS13. Tim and lads are going to put the engine in for me, get it all wired up, everything buttoned up, make brackets here, there, and kind of all the nice bits for it. So there's a load of holes in the engine bay. I'm going to go around filling all them, weld them up, get all the wires out. I'm going to take as little out as I possibly can, so there's less complications of everything go back in, and what else did I forget, where it goes or whatnot. But yeah, so I'm going to start stripping this engine bay now, which I really do not want to do, but it has to be done, and I'm just very excited about getting the engine into the car and running. So yeah, somewhat of a plan. I'm just going to get to work because it's rambling on because I'm dreading it.
Stop being little. What are you doing with that camera? You I'm the cameraman. Hey.
Big job on.
Oh, big job. Hey, look at it. What? Huh?
You ever just keep on trying to loosen something but you can't? You keep on thinking you will loosen it but I can't.
What do you think of our little gadget there, for dragging the old car around the yard?
Nice.
I'm going to put it in the back of Jeep and I'm going to wheel it around so we don't have to...
I actually made that 2 years ago.
Still going good.
Still going good, yeah.
And even, he didn't even paint it, look, it's not even that rusty.
I wanted the patina on.
Karen, what's going on?
What's going on? Let's give me that, hey. You tell me what's going on, hey. Huh? What's going on here, Craig?
My engine bay is going for paint.
Going for a lick of paint.
So, I started the car 2 weeks ago.
Right. You started the car 2 weeks ago, yeah?
This evening.
Kit's ordered, wheels ordered, suspension ordered, seats got, wheels got.
Engine, gearbox, got turbo, manifold. More or less everything's got. Well, in saying that, there's going to be plenty more, like, but
So
all
this-
the big bits of.
So this is going to be, hopefully, a 450 horsepower. Jesus, he could have the most horsepower out of all around here, David. Can I? Huh? So 450 maybe plus horsepower. SR20 powered.
Ford, that's all right.
Ford. So your man,
people that laugh.
so your man told you anyway, right?
Yeah, so it'd be
Ford.
If she wasn't Ford, she'd be 450 horsepower for about 5 minutes.
Yeah. Well, we won't.
that was about 2 months now.
We won't go there, right?
That was nearly 600, so you know.
Yeah. Right. Anyway, this is the first step, right? Craig, new rules around here, lads. Yeah.
Colours picked as well.
Colours pick, right? Camera.
Okay.
David, Craig, you're picking this camera up right here. Well, are you painting this tonight? Man, tomorrow night.
No, I'm not having anything to do with this.
Oh, fuck it here.
I'm too busy working on trans.
Get someone else painted, Craig. We're too busy.
Yeah.
Anyway, more updates coming soon.
A bit of a check-in on my car. I'm just gonna camera sitting off there, so I said I'd pick it up. Yesterday, I'm pretty sure we picked up the camera to say that it was going for paint. So I got it painted today. We're out of focus. Got it painted there today. I suppose this is gonna be the colour reveal then. It's already been up on my Instagram and stuff. But if you haven't seen it, here it is. It is. It's obviously the colour doesn't do a whole lot without the full car obviously done, but it's the same colour as my old E36, David's old S15. Dave had a twin cam, and Jace's X110, and then Jace's little Lamborghini as well, are all being painted in that colour. So as for the bay is painted, car is going on Monday down to PS13. Engine, I nearly have it back together. I'm after taking a lot of parts off. I'm after painting the block, painting a good few bits on it. I'm waiting for a 6-piece manifold and I'm shite with turbo names, so I'm not going into it. A big one of the new Gen 2 Garretts. And yeah, then she's ready for Tim. Tim should have the car for maybe 2-3 weeks, getting everything sorted. Hopefully 2. He didn't tell me that, but I'm presuming about 2 weeks. Get everything sorted, get it wired up. And yeah, so that's the engine. I'll show you the engine here. In my little corner here. So the engine all painted, all accessories painted up nice. I have to finish up bolting up the inlet and then give the rock cover a belt of wrinkled black. I think is what I'm gonna do it. Have this car 2 weeks now, and this is like my 5th 12 o'clock at night finish. For no real reason, for no real panic, but I just want to get this thing. I'm seeing it come together already. Kit ordered, wheels ordered, both coming from Japan. I'm getting very excited about it, so I can see the finish line already, even though it's very hard to see. So yeah, that's a little checkup on the PS13. Here is the SR20. in the PS13. Can I just say that obviously this video is actually all kind of me starting the build and taking the engine out, taking the CA out, putting the SR in. I actually wasn't planning on putting the engine stuff in, but this is my first time ever doing anything like this, like taking an engine in, taking an engine out, putting a new one in. I've never done anything like it before in my life, but I wanted to do it because I've never done something like that. I've never done a build as much as this. So like to get this far in 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks of ownership, I'm pretty proud of myself, I can't lie. But I suppose this is what it's all about. This is the buzz that you get seeing the likes of that. Now I know obviously the rock cover and all needs painting. I'll probably do that tomorrow or something just to get a few good pictures like, but this is what it's all about. I'm absolutely delighted seeing how the engine bay and stuff is coming together. I wasn't too sure about doing the block silver, I was thinking about doing the block black, but I think it looks class, looks real fresh, looks like new. Turbo manifold, it'll all be here next week. Kit, be here next week. I'm just going to say it. Version 3 Pandem kit. First in Europe, I'm thinking I'm going to say, as I'm 95% sure it's going to be the first in Europe. So, yeah, it's we're getting there. Not too sure where I'm at. I don't think there's much of a video so far. So, this video might continue on another bit. We'll see. But, yeah, that's it. If this is the end of the video, thanks very much for watching. Thanks very much for keeping up on the progress of the PS13. Hope you are all excited as I am to get it done, because getting very, very excited about the whole thing, and we're getting there. We're getting there slowly but surely. It was quite a long build in my head, but the only thing that's going to probably slow down now soon is probably the budget, because I've already went about 10 grand over budget. And it looks like that. So yeah, thanks very much for watching another video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you think, if you're excited to see the kit and the wheels for the S15. And yeah, we'll get a video up once they arrive. And whatever else, and this piece of shit here behind me. So, thanks again for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.